This is a bit of a room tour. It was a nice, cozy, comfortable room. Very clean also. The balcony will face the beach and the pool. Bathroom is also very nice, very clean. And this is the front area, like the parking area. There's a bar and a liquor shop. There's a nice kids pool as well. So the pool area was around 1.2 meters in depth, and it was like a full uniform depth. The beach is not very crowded, but mostly the guests of the hotel would visit the beach in the front. And food was really good. All 3 meals we were able to get buffet, and everything was almost very tasty. Every food item. There were a lot of varieties, and everything was actually very good. And there was more of foreign customers than the locals. I could totally recommend Hikka Tranz. And this is like a fire performance that we witnessed on Friday night. Like all the foreigners and us also, we enjoyed it very much. So it kind of hyped up the night. Thank you. That's it for Hikka Tranz by Cinema and Experience.